If your door hardware is vulnerable to forced entry, you can often tell with a few focused physical checks. Start by inspecting the strike plate and the screws that hold it to the frame because these are the most common failure points. Replace any strike plate installed with short screws by using screws that are 3 inches long so they penetrate the stud behind the jamb and distribute force into the structural framing. Check the lock cylinder and face of the latch for visible grinding, deformation, or excessive gaps. These indicate prior tampering or weak materials and mean you should replace the lock with one rated for higher physical strength. Test for lateral play by applying firm pressure to the door near the lock and deadbolt while someone observes movement at the frame. If the latch pulls away from the strike without resistance, you need a reinforced strike and jamb reinforcement kit. Confirm the deadbolt extends fully into a deep, square hole in the jamb and not just into thin trim. If the bolt stops against shallow wood, route a deeper mortise or install a door reinforcement plate. Inspect the hinge screws as well because 3-inch screws through the hinge into the stud reduce the chance of the door being kicked in at the hinge side. And consider replacing surface mount hinges with security hinges that have non-removable pins for outward opening doors. The 3 most common issues are short screws and weak strike plates, shallow deadbolt pockets, and loose or weak hinges. For short screws and weak strike plates, the fix is straightforward. Replace the strike with a solid steel plate and drive 3-inch screws into the stud behind the jamb. For a shallow deadbolt pocket, either deepen the mortise so the bolt seats into solid wood at least 1 inch deep, or fit a reinforced strike with a wraparound plate to transfer force to the stud. For loose hinges, remove the hinge screws and refit them with 3-inch screws that go into the framing, and if hinge pins are removable, swap to non-removable pin hinges to prevent tampering. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives practical resources relevant to these checks so we can find professionals for hardware upgrades or jamb reinforcement. We also host a discussion community where we share verification tips, before and after photos, and contractor experiences to help both homeowners and contractors find work and trade practical guidance.